Fair use is a limitation on the exclusive rights in copyright for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. The overall intent of the fair use doctrine is the protection of free speech, but it also allows flexibility in the law in order to fulfill copyright's purpose to promote the progress of creative expression. For instance, many fair uses are made in order to create new expressions that are themselves protected by copyright, so fair use should not be seen as the opposite of copyright. It is important to understand the types of uses listed in the statute as they apply in copyright law, which is not necessarily how these terms might be used in casual conversation. For example, a website may be thought of as educational, but the word teaching in regard to fair use generally refers to traditional classroom activity and not just any communication that a speaker considers educational. These broad terms also do not fully represent all types of fair uses. For example, parody is a specific form of comment or criticism that is generally allowed by fair use. But in order to be a parody under copyright law, the new work must comment on the original work being used. It is not sufficient that the new work simply be a use made with the intent to be funny. Among the most valuable fair uses are the ones that build upon some portion of an original work in order to create a new work that otherwise could not exist. These uses are often referred to under the fair use test as transformative, which is one aspect of the 4 factors that the courts must weigh when considering a fair use defense. In Video 2, we'll address these 4 factors. And to learn more about fair use and copyright in general, visit copyrightalliance.org.